Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel and thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm creating a traditional art form from Gujarat, India, known as Lippan art or mud and mirror work. It's mostly done by people from the Kutch region to decorate their homes. I'm recreating this art using air dry clay and cut mirror. You can also make this using molded or even POP mixed with glue. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing for more such DIYs, and let's get started. For making Lippan art, I have taken a canvas board in the size 12 inch by 12 inch, a ruler, pencil, air dry clay and mirror pieces. I could not get the embroidery mirrors, so I use these mirror strips and they look equally beautiful. It also saves the hassle of applying glue because they come with the sticker back wherein you can just peel off the backing paper and stick it. And also you need a compass. Firstly, I made a circle using compass and then I sketched a Ganpati image. You can use any image of your choice. You can even trace it out using carbon paper, but make sure it is the yellow carbon paper. I just ensured that the drawing I was making is made with a very light hand so that the pencil marks are not very prominent. Then I took a small portion of clay and started rolling it with the help of my fingers. You can apply some talcum powder on your hands so that the clay doesn't stick to your fingers. We have to work with small portions of clay as it tends to dry up really fast, even faster when the fan or aircon is on. So you have to be really quick and careful when you're working with air dry clay. After rolling clay into thin strips, then I applied glue to the design and then I glued the clay on top. I repeated the whole process like so using different rolling techniques. I created leaves of clay and then small balls too. And it's totally up to your imagination what you would like to make and how you would like to create it. I rolled the clay in very thin strips to make the outline for the Ganpati to make it more prominent and more defined. Also, the clay tends to shrink when it gets dry, so I ensured that each line or each single strip is long enough to cover the whole design. I also used a little tool to shape my clay. If you don't have this tool, you can use a sharp pin or a sharp hairpin. It works just fine, just need to shape the clay. Once the whole design was made, I let the clay dry for around 24 hours, and then I started gluing the mirror strips. The next step is totally optional, it is upon your choice. Either you can glue the mirror and then paint it, and otherwise you can just paint the whole thing first and then glue the mirror. I tried gluing the mirror first, but later I realized it's even better to paint the design first and then glue the mirror. For the coloring part, I used acrylic color in gold, and it's totally up to your choice what color you would like to use. I colored all the designs that I made out of clay in gold color, and it helps everything pop up. Finally, after the paint dried, I glued the mirrors according to the design, and it is done. You can use a coat of varnish for the color to be long lasting and also for the shine. And this is how it looks after the mirrors are glued according to the design. So elegant and beautiful, and it is a great addition to my traditional decor. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, happy crafting and thanks a lot for watching.